So hello students, let's do this question which came in CAET exam in 2025. As you know, CAET is the exam conducted by IIT Delhi Abu Dhabi campus, and it is specifically for admissions into that college, IIT Delhi Abu Dhabi. So let's do this question. Okay. Suppose A1, A2, A3 and so on are non-zero real numbers in an arithmetic progression, and iota is equal to root of -1, and there are two matrices given, P and Q. P is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. They all are in arithmetic progression, and Q being A2, iota A1, iota A1, A2. Which one of the following statements is true? A, P is singular. B, the homogeneous linear system Px is 0 has only trivial solution. C, Q is singular but P is non-singular. And D, P and Q are non-singular. Okay, let's explore all the options one by one. So any matrix P is any matrix will be singular if and only if determinant of P is 0. Okay, so let's see the matrix P. So determinant of matrix P will be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. And we can do one operation here, which is, this is my first row, second row, sorry, my bad. First column, second column, third column, and first row, second row, and third row in the determinant. So I can do operations C1 is equal to C1 minus C2, and also C3 is equal to C3 minus C2. That will give me A1 minus A2, A4 minus A5, A7 minus A8, A2, A5, A8, A3 minus A2, A6 minus A5, and A9 minus A8. That will be equal to, now because A1, A2, A3 are in arithmetic progression, so A2 will be equal to A1 plus D. Similarly, A3 will be equal to A2 plus D. That is the property of the terms in AP, right? So A1 minus A2 will be minus D. Similarly, A4 minus A5 will be minus D. A7 minus A8 will be minus D. So it will be minus D, minus D, minus D, A2, A5, A8, A3 minus A2 will be D, or the common difference of the AP. D stands for common difference of the AP. A6 minus A5 is common difference of the AP, D, and A9 minus A8 is also D. Now we can take minus common, so it will be D, 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 A2, A5, A8, D, D, D. Now in a determinant, if two rows or columns are the same, its value becomes 0. This row and this column has same value, D, 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 D. So yes, matrix P is singular. So option A is correct. Should we explore other options? Definitely. Although the question which said that it has only one correct answer, and we have already got P is singular, but we must check other options as well. The homogeneous linear system Px is 0 has only trivial solutions. Trivial solutions means the only possible solution is X is 0, Y is 0, and Z is 0. That is the meaning of trivial solutions. So for the second option, P and X is 0. For this to have a trivial solution, only possibility is determinant of P should not be equal to 0, or it should not be singular. But as you have seen, determinant of P in this case is equal to 0. So the homogeneous equation, linear system Px is equal to 0 cannot have trivial solutions. So B is wrong. Now let's check for C option. This is B option. Let's check for C option. Q is singular, but P is non-singular. This statement is already half wrong, as it says P is non-singular. Not correct. Let's check Q. So for the Q, determinant will be A2, IA1, or iota A1, and A2. To find the value, we'll get A2 square minus iota square A1 square, which is A2 square, iota square is -1, minus plus A1 square. And that is definitely more than equal to 0. So Q is not singular. Option C is wrong. And option D says P and Q both are non-singular, which we know is incorrect. P is singular and Q is non-singular. So the answer is P is singular is the only option. Okay. Thank you very much.